woman's husband went trawling for cod. She had no kids and worked gutting fish. Every dusk she watched and wished on the shore, and a seagull fell in love with her. At first, the woman didn't notice him. He left his white and black calling card. She still didn't notice him. He squawked his mate. They flew a show, aerial theatre, a courting dance, and he brought her crumbs from the courting cake at the Knot End Cafe. You can take the ferry with me anytime, love. You're so small, laughed the woman, her hair black as eyes with a feather tuft of grey. And so the seagull saw what men ate, chipped barns from bins, and he grew big. And the woman fed him scraps. You're so tame, laughed the woman, her nose like the prow of the bow, perfumed hands. And the seagull saw the kids in prams she smiled at. Watch me, I am wild and free like a man. And he dared to steal ice cream from their hands. And the woman fed him scraps. Her husband never came home. Search for him, pleaded the woman, and waited till the seagull came home. Follow me and live for yourself. Follow me and be free. She followed the seagull to the top of the steps, and the light from the lighthouse was a moon. She flew. And now in Fleetwood people say the seagulls are too big. One ate the cat food, one tried to eat the rabbit from the hutch. These seagulls are large and unnaturally butch. But occasionally one will sit on a fence and gaze at a woman out pegging her washing, and the woman knows the seagull loves her, and she thinks about taking sheets as wings.